Here's World Capital Management's 1-minute market and economic report for June 14, 2023. Stocks were mixed during midday trading as traders awaited the central bank's latest interest rate decision. The S&P 500 advanced 0.32%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.29%, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.38%. Crude oil futures turned lower after U.S. inventories increased by 8 million barrels, putting pressure on prices. Gasoline stocks showed some momentum, with shares of Shell and TotalEnergies SE rising. History suggests that a Fed pause in interest rate hikes is generally positive for equities. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped as United Health Group shares fell due to increased costs for insurance companies. Stocks were lackluster at the open as investors assessed producer price data and awaited the Fed decision. Producer prices data showed inflation pressures continuing to ease, supporting expectations for a Fed pause in rate hikes. Shell promises shareholders a 15% dividend and bets on a shift back to oil and gas despite a slowdown in crude demand growth. Futures were mixed ahead of the expected Fed pause, with S&P and Nasdaq futures pointing higher and Dow futures slipping. Traders expect a pause in the Fed's rate hike campaign and are focused on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments for clues about future actions. World Capital Management is a leading high-growth money manager with an annual investment objective of over 300% return of the Nasdaq 100 stock index and with only half the volatility. Don't hesitate to get in touch with us for information on our investment management services.